to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1970 Plymouth Barracuda. Recent body-up restoration. Said the car's been done within the last 5 or 6 years. It is a AAR CUDA tribute. This is not a real car. Done in kind of like a resto mod. I don't know if I'd really say that. But what they have done is they put a, it's got a Tech tri-power EFI unit on it, so which is really cool. Love the color combo. It's got gorgeous limelight green paint on it. Of course, it's got all the black AAR striping and the hood on it. Black vinyl interior. It's got the staggered BF Goodrich Radial T's all the way around it with the rally wheels. Of course, it's got the correct TA style exhaust on, except for it's got flows on it, which gives it a little more sound. The correct tips. Good looking car. You can see it's got new bumpers. Not a whole lot to really nitpick on the car, guys. It's nice, and I'll tell you what, it drives down the road real good. Got a great sound to it. I think that'll come off. Yeah, that's just a little wax or something, guys. That'll come off. Love the color, really pops. Rear deck spoiler. Again, new front and rear bumpers. Sits good, nice and straight down the sides. Love the staggered rallies on it. Dual body color mirrors. It's got front disc brakes. They got the springs off, and I'm going to see if I can order the correct springs for it. They've got a prop rod for it now, but I'll see if I can get the right springs for it. 340, healthy 340. Like I say, it's got a Tech tri-power electronic fuel injection kit on it, which is really cool. One of the questions I always get with tri-power cars, people are worried about keeping them tuned. This is electronic. Turn the key, fire it up. Detailed up real nice underneath the hood. It's got hooker headers, 727 Torqueflite automatic trans, power steering, power disc brakes. Good looking car. No fender tag. Again, it's a hot rod. It's not an original AAR or anything like that. I have to see if we can adjust this window. Usually it's probably hanging up on the remote for the mirror. That's what usually happens, but we'll check it out. Should be an easy fix. You can see the door seams are nice and clean. I've got new mats on the way for it. Bucket seats, center console. It's got the wood grain. It's got the rally dash with the tach and gauges. Headliner looks great. Steering wheel looks good. Showing 96,000 on the odometer. I don't know what the actual miles are on the resto. I'll try to find out, but I'll be honest with you, I don't think it's supposed to be a ton. Kenwood sound system. It is, again, 727 Torqueflite. It's got 355 sure grip in the rear. Factory jack with the Space Saver spare is in here. That's pretty cool. It's all body color in here like it's supposed to be. This is the manual for the FiTech stuff. And again, the little FiTech controller is actually in the center console. Nice car, and it's actually body color on the floors. Got something flashing at me. I'm not really sure what that is on the camera. Hopefully this thing isn't messing up. I don't know. Yeah, everything in here looks good. Seats look good. They've definitely been repadded. Neat car. I think I showed you the doors. This little thing flashing at me, the camera's got me messed up. When this video comes out. Again, dual body color mirrors. Runs out and I'll check into those springs. Tach works. All the gauges are functional in there. Hold good oil pressure. Hopefully you can see everything back here. The sun's right behind us. It's a little tough. I know the backup lights, yeah, they work. Nice little cam to it. Radio works. Blower motor work. Maybe it on. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video.